Easily connect directly through your vehicle's OBD-II plug connector. Maintain battery power during replacement on vehicles 1996 and newer. Water-resistant cap to protect the female socket from the elements. Built-in fused connection for protection against short circuit. High-conductivity 16 Aruban Florence copper wire and a rated capacity of 15 amperes. Molded strain reliefs prevent unwanted strain on the wire connections. Fit type, universal fit. Top reviews from the United States. Must have if you own a NOCO jump starter. In most modern cars, as soon as you disconnect the battery to replace it with a new one, the trip computer may go crazy and alarm almost everything from door ajar to brake system to TPM. This is a must-have if you are going to replace your car battery yourself and already own a NOCO jump starter. I've used it a couple of times and it worked great. I've changed the battery of my 2017 Honda Civic without this before, and the instrument panel looked like a Christmas tree after connecting the new battery. Nothing that a reset won't fix, but if you can prevent it for $20, it's not a bad idea.